Thanks for joining us. I'm Jared Belfour for HDRams.com and 5thGenRams.com, and today we're going to clear up some misconceptions about the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty trucks. Now, a few months ago, we reported that we believed the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty trucks would continue using the 4th generation cabs and boxes, and we posted photographic evidence as to why that's what we were thinking. Well, a few weeks ago, our spy photographer caught the 2019 Ram Heavy Duties completely uncamouflaged in multiple trim levels. While all the sheet metal is new from the A-pillars forward, the 2019 Ram Heavy Duties have the current 4th generation cab and box. While the front end has been updated with new sheet metal grille and headlights, the rear end benefits from taillights and a tailgate that share a design with the 2019 Ram 1500, but they're specific to the 2019 Heavy Duties. Now, we've received a lot of comments saying that these are just test mules, stuff like that, but we can confirm that this is the finished product. We've also received emails saying they decided to keep the 4th gen style as 5th gens aren't selling, which is completely untrue. As a matter of fact, Ram just sold more half-ton trucks last month than ever. No, the real reason these trucks are continuing with the 4th generation cab and box is due to manufacturing. Last January on 5th Gen Rams, we wrote about how Ram Trucks was going to bring manufacturing of the Ram Heavy Duties back to the United States, and that they were going to be built at the Warren Truck Plant in Warren, Michigan. Well, the all-new 2019 Ram 1500 is built at the Sterling Heights Assembly Plant. The 2019 Ram 1500 Classic is still being built at Warren Truck. Now, when Warren Truck finishes production of the Ram 1500 Classic, which we're hearing is probably going to be about December of 2019, maybe July of 2019, those are the two kind of dates that we're hearing. They're a little up in the air right now. But when they do finish production of the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic, the plant's going to shut down and go through a complete revamp. There's a $1 billion investment being made in the plant. I believe they're going to add a new paint booth, and they're going to modernize the whole plant, as it's currently the oldest plant that FCA uses in the United States. While continuing production of the Ram 1500 Classic is a good move by Ram, as all the tooling is paid off for that truck, which makes it just a cash cow for them, it puts them in a bit of a weird spot with the Heavy Duties. Now, the Heavy Duties are currently built at the Saltillo, Mexico plant, and they would require all new tooling and a significant investment to produce an all-new Ram Heavy Duty. So with the 5th generation cab, 5th gen box, new frame, and all that kind of stuff. Now, from a financial standpoint, this doesn't make sense, as they're going to pull the trucks from that plant and move them to Warren, Michigan when it's ready. So when they move to Warren, Michigan, that's when you're going to see the all-new Ram Heavy Duty with the 5th generation cab, 5th generation box, most likely a new frame. That's expected to happen around 2022 model year. The thing to keep in mind, though, is that this truck is much more than a mild facelift. Our spy photos also show an all-new interior that matches up with the award-winning interior of the 2019 Ram 1500. We expect it to get a lot of technology that debuted in the 2019 Ram 1500. Now, we also expect the new Cummins with the compacted graphite iron block to debut in this truck, as well as 8-speed transmissions. The 2019 Ram Heavy Duty will debut at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit on Monday, January 14th at 9:10 a.m. Eastern Time. We will be live streaming from the reveal and have tons of information and photos on our website throughout the day. If you want to get completely caught up on the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty, head on over to HDRams.com. Check out some of our articles. We've got everything on there to get you up to speed with where they're at. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's something we're going to start doing probably weekly. We're going to start getting some video content out for you guys as well. So stay tuned. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that subscription bell, do whatever you want to do. Take care, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.